right, we've got a sector question here that's quite challenging, I think, because we're not told, well, we're told the radius, but we're not told the angle here, but we are told the length of the arc, and that is this length here. We're told that this is 5 pi. So for now, I'm going to use, I think I'm going to use theta for the angle, because that's quite a common letter use. Instead of x, we use theta for the angle. So what can I do? I want to work out the area. To work out the area, I'm going to need theta, so I'm going to need to do a calculation first. The arc length is equal to, so when we want to work out the circumference of a circle, it is 2 pi r, so in this case 2 pi times 6, but I don't want the full circumference, I just want a fraction of it, and that fraction is actually theta divided by 360. This might be a formula you learn, it's 2 pi r times theta over 360, but get the understanding in there as well. And that is equal to 5 pi, because we've been told that at the start. So what I can do is I can just cancel those 5 pi's out. I'm going to show one extra line, so I'm going to get that 12 times theta over 360 is equal to 5. And what I can now do, I can multiply. Theta is going to be 5 multiplied by 360 divided by 12. So I've times both sides by 360 essentially to give me 12 theta equals 5 times 360, and then I've divided by 12. Oh, this is a non-cal. I'm about to get my calculator. I can't use my calculator here. So let's think about this. I don't really want to be doing lots of complicated, I don't want to do 5 times 360 first. I can see that, I know that 12 goes into 360. Actually, let's do it up here. 12's into 360, go 12's into 36, go 3, and I'm left with a 0. So that means I'm going to get 5 times 30 equals 150. And I finally have my angle. So now, let's make a little bit of space. The area is going to be pi times 6 squared. That's pi r squared. But again, I've got the fraction of a circle. I don't have a whole circle, so I'm going to times that by my angle, 150 divided by 360. This is going to give me pi times 36 times 150 divided by 360. I've brought it all up together because I'm multiplying by a fraction. When you multiply by a fraction like this, you can just basically bring this onto the numerator. Another way, I suppose, of thinking about it is if you have x times, I don't know, y over z, then you can write this as x over 1, and when we multiply fractions, we multiply the tops and we multiply by the bottom. So it's like I don't even need that 1, I basically just bring the x up there. Okay, we're nearly there. Now I am, quite a bit more to do. Okay, so I'm going to divide by 10 again, so I can just get rid of that 0, and then I can see that these 36's cancel, and I'm left with a very nice 15 pi.